Morning, my loves. So, my sweets, how many days are there in 1 week? There are 7. Yeah, you should just know there are 7 days. Sing with me. Remember, you're going to have 5 fingers on one hand, 2 on the other, 5, 6, 7. Sing with me. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. My loves, if yesterday was Thursday, the day where you put your tongue between your teeth, Thursday, what day comes after Thursday? Friday. It's Friday. Say, today is Friday. Awesome. Now, I'm going to scooch a little closer because we've done this for 17 days in a row. Now, I want to show you something. Maybe you have noticed that I have underlined the last 3 letters of every day of the week. Do you see that? There's a line under them. That's because every day of the week ends with the word day. Look at Sunday. D-A-Y spells day. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. So D-A-Y day is at the end of every day of the week. Pretty cool, huh? So my sweets, that's just for you to remember because later, after Christmas, you're going to be writing the day of the week every day on your math paper. So my sweets, then that's just something for you to know. Oh, yeah, D-A-Y spells day at the end of every day of the week. All right, my loves, today is Friday. Chapel day. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? There are 12 months in the year. So my sweets, you may stand with your feet on the floor. And here we go. We're ready to sing. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Have a seat. My sweets, we are right here in September. So you see September's towards the end of the months of the year. So when we get to December, then we start over. It's going to be a new year. It's not going to be 2020 anymore. And we start over at the top. My loves, but we are still in the month of September. So, oops, I got to make sure the date's up there in the corner or the year. There we go. Up, up, up. There. I need you to help me. If yesterday was September 17th, what day is today? After the 17th comes the 18th. You got it. What does an 18 look like? If a 17 is a 1 and a 7, what does 18 look like? A 1 and a 5, a 1 and a 6, a 1 and a 7. Yeah, 1 and an 8. 18. I told you teen numbers start with the number 1. And what other number do you hear? 8. 18. A 1 and an 8. My loves, what shape comes after a square? You should just know by now. We shouldn't have to go back and say the pattern. You should just know it's a circle. 1 and an 8. This way, 18. All right, I need you to help me write my date. The first thing we write is our month. If you want to, go get your little whiteboard, pause me, go get that, do it with me. What do we write first in our month? An S for September. So you write an uppercase S. Eventually, you will be doing this on your math papers every day too. Not yet, not for a while, but that's why we practice this. S, eh, eh. What letter says eh, eh? E, you got it. S, E, over, up to vanilla and around. S, p, p. Yeah, P, not a 9. You're gonna make P cry if you make a 9. Down, trace up and around. Step. What letter says t, t, t? T. Am I going to make that tail? No, we're not going to make that tail. Down, top to bottom, across on the middle line. Sep. Another E. Over, up to vanilla, down to chocolate, and around. Sep. letter says like you just ate something yummy and you go, that tastes good. M, my favorite. Down, trace up, bump, trace up, bump. September. What letter says B? B. B. Yep. Down, trace up, belly to the right. This is my right hand, right? So the belly goes this way. September. What two letters say E-R says Say E-R says Good job. So I'm going to make my E and my R down, trace up, and little hook. I have my month. Check. What goes next? I'll look down here. And I write my date. What number is the date today? 18. What number do I write first? It has to be the number 1. Man, it has to be the number 1. If I write the 8 first and then the 1, that's 81. It's not September 81. If there were 81 days in September, I think your grown-up would go crazy. Yep. I think your grown-up's saying, yep, Mrs. Birch, I agree. No, 18. 18. 1 goes first and then the 8. You got it. Make an S all the way to the bottom. Look at, I touched all the way to the bottom. Go back home. I didn't just make a little 8. No, it has to go top to bottom and not 2 circles, not a snowman 8. I can tell if you made a snowman 8 or not. And then I need my cute little, show me your comma to the computer. Oh, it's cute. Cute little comma. So I have my month, check. I have my date, check. My comma, check. And now I need my year. What goes first in my year? 2. So I'm going to curve around and slide to the right. Who goes second? First, second. 0, yep. First, second, third. Who goes third? Yeah, another 2. Curve around to the bottom. Slide to the right, staying on that bottom line. My pencil did not come up and off of it. First, second, third, fourth. Who's fourth? 0. All right, my sweets. I'm going to scooch you over. Scoochy, scoochy. Scoochy, scoochy. All right. Grab your pretend microphone or use a pencil. What number is that? 18. 18th. September 18th. If I was here at school, I am here at school. If you were here at school, I'd be looking for your tongue to go between your teeth when we got to this part to say 18th. Because I can see your tongue between your teeth. So make sure your tongue's between your teeth when you're saying this with me. Ready? Set? Go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is September 18th, 2020. Say, have a great weekend. Well, thank you. I will. You too. All right, my sweets. I need your help with my pattern. We're not doing ABC pattern and then doing ABC. No, we're going to keep counting. Okay, pattern of going up by ones. So count with me. This is 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? Where could you look? What comes after 9? 7, 8, 9, 10. What number has to go first for it to be a 10? Yep. 1. And then a 0. You got it. Count with me. Ready? Talk to the computer. Ready? Set. Go. 7, 8, 9, 10. What goes next? 11. A 1 and a 1. All right. This time, let's whisper. Let's whisper count. Ready? Set. Go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is tricky, isn't it? making your brain grow bigger by making you do all this hard thinking. What goes after 11? 10, 11. Yeah. 12. 10, 11, 12. So what number goes first for 12? Yep, a 1 and a 2. Curve around, slide to the right. Smart mathematicians always. Double check. Double check it with me. Ready, set, go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We always double check because when you come back to school, I'm going to ask you to come up here and write this. And you're going to do it by yourself, and we're all going to watch you. And then when you are done, we're going to go back and double check. And if you made a mistake, that's okay, because that's how you learn when you make mistakes, right? And then we help you fix the mistake together. Or if you have it all right, we might clap for you, right? So kiss your brains. You did a good job. Smart thinking. I need your help. If yesterday was day number 17 of school, see, today I remembered. Yesterday was day number 17 of school. What number is today? It's the same. 18. You got it. What number goes first? The 1 first, and then the 8. If I handed it to you like this and you put it up like this, oh, no. The 1 has to go first. It's a teen number, so the 1 goes first and then the 8. All right, 18. I need to put another cube on. Can I put my chimney off to the side? No. Chimney goes up. Put it on the one that is not full. Chimney goes up. There we go. I need to color my 18th square for my 18th day of school. So very carefully, I'm going to stay in the line so I don't color day number 19 or over here into the 20s. That would be bad. Alrighty. And I need you to help me fill in my days in school chart. What number goes in the tens place? How many full tens? 1. 1 full tower. 1 full 10. You got it. And how many extra ones? Let's count. Count with me how many extras. Ready? We start at the bottom. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 extras. Make an S and go back home. Say 110, 8 ones. It's the same right here. The 1 is in the tens place. The 8 is in the ones place. Awesome. And sweet. Let's sing about the weather. Sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? What you predict. Before you go check out your window, tell your grown-up what you predict. I predict it's... And then go take a peek and see if what you predicted is right. If your smart guess was right. Now, today's Friday, so that means we would have walked over to chapel. And then I asked you, do you remember looking up at the sky when we walked over? My phone said it was going to be this today. Maybe you saw clouds outside your window. I hope so. I hope my weather person was right. Sometimes they're not right. And sometimes the weather changes. So let's sing, my sweets. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. Uh-oh. Someone's catching up. Who still has the most, though? Whew. Sunny does. I know. I'm so happy. Silent excitement. And who has the second most? Oh my goodness, look at Cloudy is almost tied with Sunny. Maybe on Monday when we have school, because tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday are stay-at-home days. Well, you're staying home every day, but no school days. Maybe it'll be a cloudy day on Monday, and then it'll be a tie. But right now, sunny's still winning. Cloudy has the second most. Who has the third most? Rainy. And who has the least? Snowy, because Snowy has 0. How many more sunny than cloudy days are there? So you look at where they are the same. How many more sunny than cloudy? Here they're the same. See, they both have tags. Same, 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 same. How many extra sunny pictures do you see? 1. 1 extra. That one doesn't have a buddy. See, these all have a buddy. Somebody next to them. This one does not have anybody next to them. Sunny has 1 more day than cloudy. Awesome, my sweets. Who am I? I have 3 sides and 3 angles. I'm a triangle. You got it, triangle. I have 4 sides that are all the same and 4 angles. I'm a square. And I have 0 sides and 0 angles, and I'm a circle. You got it. My sweets, I had so much fun with you this week. I will see you for math. There is no reading on Fridays. When we start school again in January, after Christmas break, then we will start having reading on Fridays. But no reading on Fridays today, but you do have an art project today. So I will see you later for math or read aloud in our art project. Bye, my loves.